I'm excited to share my healthy, tangy twist on classic chicken Caesar salad with a cottage cheese-based Caesar dressing. We're making the salad dressing higher in protein and lower in fat with clean, natural ingredients, including cottage cheese, parmesan cheese, almond milk, light olive oil, fresh lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and garlic. It's tossed with fresh romaine, mini cucumbers, parmesan cheese, gluten-free croutons, and pumpkin seeds. Then it's topped with my juicy pan-seared lemon garlic marinated chicken. We're going to begin by making this very simple yet tasty salad dressing. And we're going to start with cottage cheese. And I love using cottage cheese not only for its nutritional benefits, but also for the flavor. Because once you blend it down smooth, it just adds a really delicious, subtle, cheesy flavor. So we're going to add 1/3 cup of either large curd, small curd, low fat, non-fat, whatever your preference. Next we'll add 1/3 cup of milk, and my preference is almond milk. And then we'll add 1/3 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I prefer buying a block of Parmesan cheese and then grating it myself because the store-bought pre-shredded cheeses have been coated in cellulose to keep the little strands from sticking together. Next we'll add 1/4 cup of light olive oil and 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and a couple dashes of pepper. 1 tablespoon Worcester sauce, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried parsley. Now you could use any upright blender to mix this together. I'm going to use my chopper cup that comes with my immersion blender. And now we have this very creamy and fragrant Caesar salad dressing. Now I'll go ahead and pour this into my mason jar. And you can control the thickness of the dressing by either adding a little bit less or a little bit more of your milk. Well, we are ready to assemble our salad. So I'm going to start with some chopped romaine lettuce. And I really like to pre-toss my salad with the dressing. So I'm going to go ahead and add some right on top of my lettuce. And then give those a good mix. Oh, that smells so good. Now I love the simple green and cream and brown aesthetic of a Caesar salad, but I also like to sneak in as many vegetables as I can. So I've taken a very adorable little mini cucumber and then I've just sliced it nice and thin. So I'm going to add a few of these to my salad. And then also to maintain the green color and add a little bit of crunch, I'm adding in some toasted pumpkin seeds. Although there is Parmesan cheese in the dressing, you can never have too much cheese. So I'm going to add some very thin shavings of Parmesan cheese. They're very tasty and beautiful. And then to increase the protein and the flavor, I'm adding a few slices of my lemon marinated chicken that I pan-seared to have a really golden crust on the outside and a very juicy and moist center. And I included a link to the video and recipe to this lemon chicken in the video description below. And then last but not least, I'm going to add a few gluten-free croutons. Now that is a beautiful Caesar salad made with clean, nutrient-dense ingredients. And now for the best part. Crunchy. That is delicious. Sorry if I have lettuce in my teeth. That is a delicious burst of tangy, cheesy flavors. The dressing has the perfect amount of flavor coming in from the Parmesan cheese and the lemon juice and that little bit of mustard. And then I bite into the crisp lettuce and then get some crunch coming in from the cucumber as well as the pumpkin seeds and the croutons. And then bringing in that bite of juicy chicken just enhances the lemon flavor, and it's just hearty and nutritious. And I love knowing that I'm eating something with clean, natural ingredients that was super easy to make. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen, and I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below, which takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.